babies born every minute with one death. The Philippines is the 12th largest populated country in Asia. No, number 12 in Asia and number in the world. What is our rank? 7? No, 7 in Asia, but number 12 in the whole world.
17. 17.
No. The latest is number 12 tayo. In the newspaper last night. 93 million. But the two biggest countries in the world are, in population? And?
Russia.
1.2 billion. How many million is 1 billion? How many million is 1 billion? 1,000 million. That is more than in Pacquiao. That is the money na of Pacquiao. So, ladies and gentlemen, Madam MC, may I request at least two speakers before I give my inspiration, because I will not be the one inspired. I'm not the one giving your inspiration. Ako ang may inspire dito. I want to hear at least 2 or 3 more speakers. Anyway, very short pa lang yung mga Mr. Manguma delivered it only in 4.5 minutes. May I request other speakers first, ma'am?
Give picture. Go. Palakpak, louder. Palakpakan nyo na tayo.
Nothing is really extraordinary about her, but there is something that makes her miles ahead from others. It's her intellectual capacity. Yes, you heard it right. She is a woman with brilliant mind and a humble heart. She never fails to share new ideas to us. No wonder she gets a great number of friends. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to present to you Miss Mary Altin Piedad as she delivers her thoughts regarding the new trends of technology.
Good morning to each and every one of you. I'm Altin, your speaker for the next 20 minutes. I'm going to talk about the latest trends in information technology, and I'm going to tackle 3 of the latest ones. With increasing recognition that man-made greenhouse gas emissions are a major contributing factor to global warming, enterprises, governments, and society at large now have an important agenda, tackling environmental issues and adopting environmentally sound practices. Green computing. So what is green computing? Green computing, or green IT, is the study and practice of designing, manufacturing, using, and disposing of computers, servers, and associated subsystems such as monitors, printers, storage devices, and networking and communication systems efficiently and effectively with minimal or no impact on the environment. Green IT also strives to achieve economic viability and improve system performance while abiding by our social and ethical responsibilities. Thus, green IT includes the dimensions of environmental sustainability, economics of energy efficiency, and the total cost of ownership, which includes the cost of disposal and recycling. So, we can say that green computing is and practice of using computer resources efficiently. Efficiently is the keyword. What does this symbol mean? The 3 R's. What are the 3 R's? That girl in the back. Very good. Reduce, and watch Twilight. So you know Edward? Edward is what? A vampire. So gadgets such as computers, phones, radios, and televisions are much like Edward. Energy vampires to be exact. They continue to suck up energy even when on standby. It is estimated that the average household leaves 20 to 40 gadgets on standby. Altogether, this contributes to 1% of carbon dioxide emissions each year. So what are we going to do? Okay. 4 pathways to green computing. Green use is reducing the energy consumption of computers and other information systems, as well as using them in an environmentally sound manner. Okay, so we must unplug gadgets when not in use. Another way of reducing energy consumption is to optimize the use of gadgets' many features. So what does it mean? It means that fly by a separate alarm clock or calculator when your cell phone is rolled up with both. Yes? Many gadgets today combine the features and uses of many devices, cutting the need to buy other gadgets in the process. Let's take for instance, cell phones can be used as e-book reader, alarm clock, calculator, game player, and many more. That makes up 5 or more gadgets into one device. This reduces the number of devices one has to charge up on a constant basis. Second pathway is the green disposal. Refurbishing and reusing all computers and properly recycling unwanted computers and other electronic equipment. Most gadgets such as cell phones, Game Boys, and laptops have years of life to them. Yet, research shows that approximately 140 million users ditch their cell phones for the latest models every 14 to 18 months. Now, it's like that. Maybe not us, Pinoy, but other countries. So never throw away a working device. By prolonging the use of one's gadgets, e-waste or electronic waste can be minimized. Another green computing option is to sell the device to a buyback program, or better yet, to someone else who can make use of it. Print wisely. Only print what you really need to have a paper copy of, and resist the urge to print all pages when you only need one pen or one inkjet cartridges and laser tones, because it is cheaper investment than the landfill.
May project list.
The third pathway is redesign. Designing in an energy efficient and
Grabe, di maamo dito nga anak. Nagaduin pa dyan.
and data centers.
Hello.
Modern computers are power-hungry things, so bear in mind when buying a new PC, laptops use less power than desktops, and LCD or the flat screen use less power than the cathode ray tube. Green manufacturing. Manufacturing electronic components, computers, and other associated subsystems with minimal impact on the environment. Unfortunately, computer manufacturers continue to use hazardous materials in their products.
Ayaw niya
Installed in
magsalita.
your computer are lead,
Magsasalita lang
mercury,
siya pag makatapos ng dalawa or tatlo na speakers.
SRs, barium, beryllium, chromium, and dioxin, and
So,
air.
si sasabihin lang niya pag kung kailan siya magsasalita. Anyway, yung mga MC
If
nandun.
you are concerned about
Sir, hindi pwedeng dalawa speakers kasi conference na
concerned about hazards,
we only have one
using
speaker
physical
and two
phoners,
speakers.
consult green
After
pieces,
that
green
one,
electronic
inspirational talk. So, dun po talaga kami sisingit. Hindi ko alam kung bakit kayo tinawag na. Pero, sige, intermission tayo lang bago ako mag
parang meter.
Wala na.
So, ngayon, after the intermission,
Siya na.
siya na. Then, after na talk sa
So, I'm
intermission,
gonna
Snap.
snap.
show you a
So,
video.
i-prepare mo na sila.
Tulo ka. Snap ko no buwak. Ito lang. Yung mismo ko. Tapi na pala, tinalaki yun. Ano yung man? Di mismo ka, kaya sa...
Siya my friend. Siya. Uy, samot na eh. Alam. Wala, naktang na ko. Di ka na. Gusto? Di kang siya alam mo.
Also known as the graphic range of friendly smiling
Ay,
interface.
kay amin ba?
Mr. Club ka
In
pa?
this installment, no
Mr.
pun
Club?
intended, we're going to talk to you about monitors, specifically how to properly dispose of them once they're no longer needed.
Monitors contain materials that are highly toxic, which will contaminate.
When it rains, these chemicals begin to seep into the ground and are deposited into the groundwater supply. It doesn't take much land to make water unsafe to use.
And as you can bury your biological organisms depend on your planet to sustain your miserable lives, it is in your own best interests to be responsible.
Glitter on.
What?
Kapalik, depende. Di silaw dito na.
Oh, I apologize, humanoids.
On the bright side of this, take advantage of this opportunity in your local area. Just click the link you see on your screen. That'll bring you to a site full of easy resources for recycling and donating.
So that means I can get some money for your monitor.
You're not turning in my monitor. It's brand new and there's nothing wrong with it.
I guess the warranty expired.
Tapping to the computing power over the internet. Cloud, more complex, powerful computing system in the sky that can also just plug into. So some of the cloud users, famous cloud users are Chapel, Starbucks, Rapper Citizen, US Olympic Committee, and individual programmers and users. Starbucks using the Salesforce.com platform to create its new My Starbucks idea website with an online community. Rapper Citizen using service to set up a custom design site for 200,000 fans, and the US Olympic Committee using AT&T services to handle busy traffic during the games. Individual programmers and users using Facebook or Amazon data centers to run own applications, blogs, and apps. So,
Ano nga balasan ko?
And a team of experts install, configure, run. You develop, test it, stage it,
One upgrade, but that might bring the whole system down. Now, this is for one app. When you multiply these headaches across dozens or hundreds of apps, it's easy to see why the biggest companies with the best IT departments aren't getting the apps they need. Small businesses don't have a chance. Cloud computing is a better way to run your business. Instead of running your apps yourself, they run on a shared data system. You just plug in, like a utility. This makes it fast to get started and costs less.
Habang nagdadagdag na dun, kaya mag-intermission na pala yung nakatugo dati sa loko yan, ikaw. Nakatugo daw dati sa ulit mo?
Wensi ka? Ay, bigay kanina eh. Ay,
Ganyan.
sa library? Akala ko hindi kasi minention yung pangalan ni Gladys kanina.
Mabaling ka na umay after lunch. Kapag nakakita ka ng kasing sinaw.
Bakit ka kayo?
Social media and social networking have become very popular in recent years, especially with the emergence of websites such as Facebook, MySpace, and Twitter. So, who among you has MySpace? How about Twitter? How about Facebook? What is social media? Social media can be best defined as various avenues through which people share information, public or private, with a select group of people. Social networking is defined as being the act of exchanging information through various parts of technology such as the internet, cell phones, and other services. Almost all social media has emerged on the internet with many involving applications or apps for use on cell phones and players and other handheld devices. Important negotiations or access and email server or in order to reach those people. Now, with the emergence of social media, the same information can be shared in a matter of seconds. So, the examples of social media are blogs. Blogs are online journals which retain scope, purpose, and professionalism. Journalists and industry specialists often make form of social media, with examples Facebook, MySpace, and another more. These are via the internet and exchange information about their professional fields. Many professionals use these sites like LinkedIn to bolster their professionalism and supplement their social media image with profiles.
Get things done, whether it's sending a letter or running your home. Networks make it happen. To get from Chicago to Santa Fe, we need to see the network of roads that will get us there. You see, Chicago is connected to St. Louis, which is connected to Dallas, which is connected to Santa Fe. Of course, people networks can help us with finding jobs, meeting new friends, and finding partners. You know how it works. Bob is your friend, and he knows Sally. And Sally's friend Joe has a job for you. This is a network of people, a social network. Yay! The problem with social networks in the real world is that most of the connections between people are hidden. Your network may have huge potential, but it's only as valuable as the people and the connections that you can see. This problem is being solved by a type of website called a social networking site. These websites help you see connections that are hidden in the real world. Here's how it works. You sign up for a free account and fill out your profile. Then look for people you know. You find someone, you click a button that says Add as Friend. What you did is, you and that person have a connection on the website that others can see. They are a member of your network, and you are a member of theirs. What's really cool is that you can see who your friends know, and who your friends' friends know. You're no longer a stranger, so you can contact them more easily. This solves a real world problem because your network has hidden opportunities. Social networking sites make these connections between people visible. Like a map for a highway, they show you the people network that can help you get to your next destination. Whether it's a job, a new partner, or a place to live. Your network is suddenly more useful. You can get started at these sites: LinkedIn, Facebook, and MySpace. I'm Leo Fever, and this has been Social Networking in Plain English on the Common Craft Show.
Silaw daw, ma'am.
Is about the social media revolution.
Matidaktak yung dito.